Do you think AI can detect any language and do a good job translating text into another language? In this video, you will learn how to use Amazon Translate service to do neural language translation. Before starting this demo, I have logged into my AWS account, and I have opened Amazon Translate console. If you have multiple files, you can use Translate in batch mode. For this demo, let's do real-time translation. Here is a text I copied from an Amazon Translate tutorial. Let's take a moment to read. The text provided is an opinion about bag's locking mechanism. I just pasted this text in Translate, performed translation instantaneously. You can see that Amazon Translate recognized French as the language. It seems to have done a fair job at the translation. Note that the English translation returned is grammatically correct. Let's try another text. Amazon Translate can translate text into 75 different languages. Let's convert this English text into Hindi. That's impressive. Translate has translated text into Hindi. Also note that it returned response in spoken Hindi. Let's ask it for a more formal response. The response is definitely more formal. You can also ask Translate to mask profanity and make response less wordy. Let's take a look at the text translation API signature. As you can see, the input JSON contains text, source and destination language, and the formality of the text. Similarly, the response returns translated text. Since Translate is an Amazon service, it automatically identified Amazon Translate as a brand name, and hence retained its original form during the translation. If you want Translate to retain specific words, or want to do custom translation for specific words, you can use custom terminology. Custom terminology can be configured using a simple CSV containing words and their corresponding translations for specified language. You can also use Translate for translating HTML files, and use Do Not Translate tags to skip certain sections from being translated. Translate fits well in AWS ecosystem. It can be paired with Poly to synthesize text, Comprehend to extract entities, Lex to build a chatbot, and Lambda to invoke it in form of a workflow. Congratulations! You just learned how to use Amazon Translate. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment if you have any question.